my channel. So today I'm going to do a get ready with me for a party with turquoise eye makeup look. If you like the look that you see, then without further ado, let's get started. I have my cat ears headband on and I have taped the sides of my eyes. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and apply it as a primer onto my eyelids. To set the concealer, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix powder. After I'm done, I'm going to take this blue shade from this generic glitter eyeshadow palette that I have and apply it onto my crease. Then I'm going to go with this color and apply it on the center of my eyelid. Then I'm going to take this darker turquoise shadow and intensify the crease. I'm going to lightly blend this black glitter shade onto the outer V of my eye. After the eyes are done, I'm going to prime my entire face with the Inglot Face Primer. Then I'm going to use the MAC Liquid Foundation in the shade NC40. Then I'm going to apply the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Today I'm going to bake my face with the Lakme Whitening Rose Powder. And here's me looking like a ghost right now. Then with the Maybelline The Rock Nudes palette, I'm going to take this darker shade here and fill in my eyebrows quickly. Then I'm going to dust off the powder from my face. Moving on, I'm going to contour my face with the Maybelline Master Contour Kit. Then I'm going to use the Blue Heaven Diamond Blush in this shade 506 and make weird faces. I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line with the eyeshadow shades that I have used. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Gigi Hadid eyeliner and then try to draw a wing liner or die trying. Next, I'm going to apply the Maybelline Colossal Black Liner onto my lower waterline. Just going to quickly put some falsies on. Today I'm using the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. For highlighting, I'm using my ever favorite MAC's Extra Dimension Eau d'Alene Skin Finish. For lips today, I'm using this Inglot lipstick in the number 65. To set my face, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. And that is the finished look. And now I'm going to fix my hair and be right back. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you guys get notified of all my videos as soon as they are uploaded. All my social media links will be in the description bar, so go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next time, live long and prosper, my fellow earthlings.